Hello, it's me Marcus. Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to get views on YouTube. Okay, so just before I start, if you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button, and if you hit the bell button over there, that will give you a notification the next time I upload a video, and it does help me out. So if you could do that, just do it. Yeah. Have you done it? Yeah. Oh, you're going to do it at the end of the video. Yeah. Okay. That old chestnut, yeah. Alright, on with the video. Okay, so number one, we're going to need a great topic. For this video, I'm going to use the topic of how to get views on YouTube. That is the topic of this video. So it's a good topic. Everyone wants to know how to get views on YouTube. So it's going to be a popular topic. So yeah, I've kind of nailed that one. Number two, you're going to need a great title. A title that describes the video perfectly, and it's something that people are going to search for. How-tos are great things to start with. So I'm going to call this one How to Get Views on YouTube. Right, that's the title done. Now number three, you need good tags. So good tags will make your video appear in related searches. I'm going to put for this video, how to get views, YouTube, Marcus TDM, easiest way. Then when I upload it, I will use TubeBuddy to suggest some more, and that will bring up a few more, and then that'll be done. Now number four, this is very important. A great thumbnail. Now you've made your video, you've uploaded it, you've put a catchy title, you've put great tags, but if it's a popular topic, your video is going to come up with a load of others. So the best way to make it stand out from the crowd is with a great thumbnail. Now all of this is really important, but the main reason this video has got lots of views, or is getting lots of views, is because it's capitalising and exploiting your wish to be successful on YouTube. And that's what all of these videos that advise you on what to do on YouTube, that's what they're all doing. So thank you for watching this. I hope I've not taken up too much of your time, because I just wanted to get that message across. All of this SEO and all that bollocks, people go on about SEO, you'll never find anything on the internet about it properly, because it's just jargon, it's just crap. It's just people making videos to get you to watch them. They're exploiting your wants to succeed. So my advice to you is carry on what you're doing, make great content, and just ignore all the rubbish that is being spouted about search engine optimization and all the jargon. If you make great content, you're halfway there. So thanks for watching this. I hope I've not taken up too much of your time. Till my next video, do take care, and I will catch you real soon. Cheers.